Hello, lovelies! So this box actually arrived a week ago, just as I was getting ready to head out the door for a flight for a business trip that lasted a week. So I spent a week going, oh no, I want to go home and open the box. And also, I'm having fun with my friends, but I want to go home and open the box. So I almost opened it this morning, and then I realized my phone needed to charge, and I'm like, alright, so I have the box, I have the phone. This is a Sophie and Toffee Club Elves Box. I believe it is the June box. I get a little confused by how they do the processing. I'll find out once I actually open the box and see the card inside. And it is a subscription box with resin crafting sorts of things. Don't remember the theme at all, especially because I just spent a week doing a business thing right after doing Anime Expo, and my brain is just completely fried, and I'm not even sure which time zone I'm in. But I know I'm going to get fun goodies out of this box, so without further ado... There we go. That wasn't quite as dramatic as I wanted it to be. So, the theme is, it is the June box. Alright, so I'm finally getting a handle on this. So the theme is Summer Ocean, and it has a seashell charm under the stars. That's an interesting combo. Okay, and here is a whole list of nifty things that should be in it. So let's see what I've got. Okay, so first on the list is a mini UV lamp, which I'm like hella excited about. So where's that? Oh, there it is. Cool. Box. Be boxy. Box. Okay. Mini UV lamp. Oh, it's blue. I like blue. And, ooh, my nails do not like pulling on that. Let's use a shorter nail. Okay, well, that's gonna move. And there's power cord and stuff in there. And does it actually say? It says it is a 6-watt maximum. And I usually use a 36-watt maximum, so I'm kind of like, well, you guys tried. I will probably not use this unless I need to be able to move it around and aim it or something. Because my other one is way more powerful, which means it works faster. Japanese reusable mold maker. That is this, I think. That's definitely Japanese. Colorful plastic clay, yes. So this is the mold maker. That's kind of neat. Ooh, okay, so you stick it in water, and then you go squish, 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 and there's definitely squishing. Okay, I can figure out there's squishing. Clear UV resin. Look at that, clear UV resin. Ooh, thin type, good. I don't have much thin type left right now. Purple iridescent dye. That, wait a minute, I'm gonna give that a shake off screen. Okay, shake, shake, shake. I'm not going to make you watch me do that. We'll just blur like mad. Okay, so this is... Oh my god, I'm so sorry, you guys. I just noticed I didn't even turn on the lights. I was so excited to open this up. There we go, lights. Okay, so that is a very pale translucent purple. So that's going to be fun to play with. I like that. Because I've got a dark translucent purple from, or a dark iridescent purple. Let's see here. Seashell Ocean Silicone Mold. Ooh! Okay, oh, there's some earring size ones there. Awesome. I bought some earring backs, and then I was like, oh, but I need molds for earrings. So here we go. So earrings and pendants. That's exciting. Let's see here. Star and moon mold. There we go. That's pretty straightforward. A star and a moon. And those actually look like they are pretty similarly shaped to... an earring mold that was stars and moons from a previous box. So that'll probably pair really nicely for making jewelry sets too. I like that. I like that a lot. Mermaid theme glitters. Glitter, 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 glitter. All the glitter. Professional nail art, because nail art has the best... Ooh, one of those is leaking. Okay, I think it's closed-ish. But there's a whole lot of loose glitter in there, so we're just gonna make it rain glitter. Hearts and crosses. All right, that's an interesting combo. So let's see here. Yeah, hearts and crosses in different color combos. Not quite sure how crosses are mermaid themed, but I love the colors on these. Like, check out that blue purple right there. That is gorgeous. Ocean gems and pearls. That and that. Ooh, blue. Okay, I've been having a lot of fun with these itty bitty little pearl marbles that you can see in here, except I've only had clear ones to work with, so like they didn't show up very well, so like getting more colors. Ooh, and this one has gold ones. Heck yeah. Okay, these will be great in resin. star chain. 2 pieces. Yeah, I'm opening this up. I want a better look at this. I want to see how long they are. I think these are just going to be, oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, so that's like fancy keychain. Definitely not getting a bracelet out of those. Ocean theme metal inclusion. Oh, here we go. So let's see here. We have some starfish, some shells, some fishy things, some seahorses. Pretty good assortment. And I just set everything on top of the list. Good job. Ocean theme film, that's this. Okay, I enjoy working with these sorts of things with my resin. These are going to be really fun to work in, so I'm going to definitely enjoy working with this. And that's a fun color combo. I don't have a lot that does the gold and blue thing. And screw eyes, hoops, and findings. So there we go. Definitely useful for getting those pendants to hang correctly. Oh, and colorful plastic clay. Oh, okay, so there were 2 mold makers. There was a greenish blue one and a clear one. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to be able to do some really fun stuff with all that. I'm going to just kind of get it back into the box now so that I don't lose all of it, because you would not believe how easily I misplace stuff. You probably would believe. You've listened to me babble enough. So that's a pretty good box. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to actually work with it, because we are having the worst heat wave ever right now, and we have the AC running a lot. And work with resin in well-ventilated areas, lovelies. Oh my goodness. Once. I made a mistake once where it just wasn't ventilated enough, and the headache lasted for nearly 3 days. So don't do that to yourselves. Hot weather is bad for resin crafting. Take it outdoors, and if it's too hot to go outdoors, your resin is not more important than your health. So yeah. Elves Box. Super happy with that. If you want to get to see stuff sooner, check out my Patreon, because my Patreons always get to see stuff for a couple days before anybody else does. Check me out on Facebook and whatever other social media links I put down below. I think that's it. I'll see you lovelies on the internet. Bye.